Okay, so first of all, they're trying to find f minus 1g, so we need to identify what f minus 1 would be. So if fx is the square root of x, then we say y equals the square root of x, and x is the square root of y, so y would be x squared. So that means that we're going to now put this function into x here. So we've got y equals 2 to the power x all squared, which is 2 to the 2x. Now 2 to the 2x is equal 0.25. So 2 to the 2x equals 1/4. We know that this could be written as 2 to the power negative 2. So 2 to the 2x would be 2 to the power negative 2, which means that 2x is negative 2, x is negative 1. Okay, so number 2, we need to write it in this form, which means it's completed square form. So first of all, you can see they've taken out common factor of 3, so let's just write the question: 3x squared minus 12x plus 11. So remember, we ignore the 11 for now. We bring out factor of 3. We then look at this number here, and we halve that, so divide that by 2. So this would be 3. Now we're going to do square brackets. So it would be x minus 2 all squared. And then we subtract this value squared. So we're going to subtract negative 2 squared. Okay, and then we have the plus 11. So this 3 is affecting both of these two items. So we've got 3 bracket x minus 2 squared. Negative 2 squared is 4, so this is minus 12. And so at this stage we can bring this back in. So we've got 3 bracket x minus 2 minus 1. So that's written in that form. Okay, looking at part B, we're saying that this graph above has been translated 3 units in the positive x direction, which means it's becoming more negative. So in other words, this value here is going to become 3 units more negative. So if it was negative 2 before, we would now have x minus 5 squared. If it's gone 5 units in the positive y direction, we're adding on 5 to this value, which would give us plus 4. So that's part B. Next one. On the same graph, sketch negative f of x. So if it's negative f of x, it shows that it's a reflection in the x-axis. Okay, so I'll show you some points. We know it's still going to go through here. It's going to go through 1.5. So, oops, that's too much, but that's okay. Gives you an idea. Okay, so gx is f of x plus 3. Find g of minus 3. So g of minus 3 indicates that x has a value of negative 3. So putting it into here, we would have f of negative 3 plus 3. So that's f0. So it means we can just look at the original function. F of 0 gives us a value of negative 1.5. Describe fully the transformation that maps a graph of f onto the graph of g. If it's f of x plus 3, it's a horizontal shift of negative 3, 0, or something of that nature. You'd say left 3, something like that. Okay, next one, we're finding f of minus inverse function of 2. So first we need to find the inverse function. So y equals 3x plus 5, switch the x and y, and rearrange. So that's f minus 1 of x. We now need to put the value of 2 into there. Okay, and part B, g of f of -4, so we're sticking -4 into f first. So f of -4. Okay, so that's -12 plus 5 equals -7. Okay, and our last step is we stick this -7 into function for g. So we've got 2 lots of -7. Oops. 1 minus -7. So it's 2 times 8, so that's 16.